Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 29th, and this is my analysis of the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, I still think this is very clearly three waves up for W, three waves down for X. I think we're in an A, B, C of wave Y right now. A wave C should be 5 waves on shorter time frames, and most likely it will bring it up and taking out the high of wave W. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I do think this right here is the end of a crescent. That would make this right here a wave 1. I think that would make this right here an ABC of 2. And I also think that would make this in a wave 3 right now, most likely a wave 3 of wave C, which I think on the weekly and daily time frame, it will continue to make those higher highs and those higher lows. So taking it down to the daily time frame, I do think this right here is the end of a crescent. I think it's the end of a 2. I think this wave 5 up here is the end of a trend, wave 1. I believe we're in a wave 3 right now. Now, we definitely do have 5 waves on the Aussie dollar. Most other dollar pairs actually don't look like a complete 5-wave pattern, which is why I actually think that this may not even be a complete 5-wave pattern. It may just be subdivisions of a much bigger uptrend, which I think is most likely still a wave 3. So, taking it right down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame is where I get my Fibonacci retracement on this last push up right here. I'm definitely looking for a Fibonacci bounce, which we already got a little bit of a Fib bounce. We possibly could actually just keep on trending up from here, especially because I do believe we are in a wave 3 on the weekly and daily time frames. Wave 3s are supposed to be the biggest, strongest waves of a trend, so I honestly wouldn't be surprised if this does just keep on trending up from here. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, it kind of looks to me like it could already be over because this looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And even though this is a higher high right here, we get higher high wave Bs all the time. It looks like it could be a wave A, a wave B, and then 5 waves down for a wave C. Impulsive up, break of structure already happened. It could be like impulsive up wave 1. It seems like this could be corrective down wave 2. I would definitely be keeping an eye on it. I would, if you do trade the very short time frames, you could be looking for shorts. But I would keep a very close eye because if this is a wave 2, then it will make a higher low, and it will just keep on trending up in a big wave 3. And like I said, wave 3s, which I believe we are in on the weekly and daily, are supposed to be the biggest, strongest waves of a trend, which is why you get what I like to call the blasting effect on these shorter time frames, where it looks like it should make a bigger pullback, but instead it just keeps on making those higher highs and those higher lows. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And if you're interested in my membership, make sure you take a look at my website for more information at fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.